Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a little extra video, which if you guys had watched my weekly vlog, you probably would have known that I was gonna upload it. So I'm here with a unboxing from the blogger program. I have actually done one of these kind of videos before in the past and you guys seem to really like it, and I love doing unboxing videos and I'm so excited to do this one. So the difference with this one is I actually met with the blogger program when I was in London last week. So if you guys watched my weekly vlog again, you will know that I went to London and we actually had afternoon tea, which was the cutest thing ever. So we went to one Aldwych hotel and we had afternoon tea, which is themed around Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, which is something that they do there. It's like their thing, and it was so nice. So like everything that they brought out was like sweet themed, and I'm gonna guess you guys have seen like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, but the reason they have it there is because the West End show used to be like near the hotel, and I honestly think it's such a cool idea because it's all like based around food, isn't it, obviously? So yeah, that worked so well and it was so nice to like get to try everything. So I did actually vlog, I think around about like 3 to 4 minutes, I don't really know, when I was at the afternoon tea that I'm gonna insert into this video so you guys can get a feel for what it was like.
Canon is massive, like
Thank you. Oh my life. Thank you. That is mad. So yeah, the food was absolutely amazing. As you guys can see here, it's just so nice, well put together. Everything was literally delicious, and I'm saying that being one of the pickiest eaters ever, and I genuinely loved all of it. So I thought it was so nice to sit and have a chat with the team at the blogger program and eat this gorgeous lunch. So just while you're getting some pretty nice shots of the food, I'm going to explain a little bit to you about what the blogger program actually do. It is something that I've been using ever since I started here on YouTube, and it is essentially a website that allows like bloggers, YouTubers, Instagram influencers to collaborate with their favourite brands, and also some brands that perhaps they maybe haven't heard of but would fit their channel and demographic really well. So it's so good for people just kind of starting out, wanting to get in touch with brands if you don't really know where to go. So if you're watching this and you have a YouTube channel and you think, oh well, I'm never going to work with brands, stuff like that, it's definitely a really good place to start. And as you can see, they treat you to pretty banging afternoon tea. So yeah, I really recommend checking their website out. I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's super easy to sign up. This is not an ad for them. I'm not like being paid to tell you this. I just think it'll be super beneficial to some of you watching this if you don't really know where to start or how to get started, or just really what it is, like what I'm explaining to you. So yeah, hopefully all those shots of food has made you pretty hungry, because like watching it back, I already know that I'm gonna want to eat it again. And also, I didn't think I liked candy floss, but this candy floss was the coolest candy floss in the world. Can I just point out that you had to like guess the flavour of what it was? Like it didn't come and tell you what it was. It was like a surprise. So I thought it was just gonna be like regular candy floss flavoured, and it was actually, I'm gonna guess it was like Coca-Cola flavoured. But if you go and you try the afternoon tea, it's like, oh, it's always different and they change it up. So it's very like Roald Dahl, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory-esque, which is so nice, and it made me feel really nostalgic because that book was like my favourite when I was a child. So yeah, really enjoyed it. But then also while I was there, I received this gift bag, which is also quite Charlie and the Chocolate Factory themed, with this huge summer gift box in. So this is the blogger program's summer gift box, and I think the last one I did of theirs was last summer. I actually can't remember. So they've given me this to unbox, which I think is so cute. Look at this box, guys. It's huge. It has my name on it somewhere. Here, it was upside down. And then also in this bag, before I even open this box, I can see this. So this is the Curl Me ceramic brush barrels. So I'm very excited to give this a go. I will let you guys know what I think. Oh my god, it comes with 6 mixed brush barrels and a travel bag and 6 clips. Oh my god, this has literally everything you could ever need to like style your hair. I'm really excited to give that a go. I love trying new hair products because obviously my hair is quite curly and temperamental, so if I find a product that works with my hair, I am all about that. So thank you so much for this. So getting into the box, I'm very excited. I have had a look, but I haven't like unboxed it. I just kind of took the lid off and was like, okay, I'm gonna do this on camera for you. Okay, this is so difficult to do with one hand. Oh my god, I love the blue in this. Is this not the cutest thing ever? There was a thank you note from the blogger program in here. I have actually just already put that up on my windowsill, but it was from Paper Chase and it's super lovely, so thank you for that. I'm gonna take off this lovely layer of tissue paper. How nice is this colour, guys? What the hell? And then this is the gift box. I'm so excited to see what is in here. Okay, so the first thing, I don't know if there's like notes from the people that have put them in here. So the first thing in here is the Pippa Blank Canvas Cosmetics palette. Now I have actually had this before and I've used this because it's like the perfect matte, like nude kind of shade. So you can see all the colours on the back. They're your absolute basic eyeshadows, but then it also comes with a bronzer, a blusher and a highlighter, and it was the highlighter in this palette that I remember absolutely loving. I think I've actually had this twice because I've also done a giveaway with one of these before, but I still have the other palette. So I think my mum might claim this one because she really likes my one that I have. So thank you very much Blank Canvas Cosmetics for popping this in here. So the next thing in here, oh my god, I'm so excited to try and use this. Okay, right, this is the Bella Mianta, I literally don't know if that is said right, Rapid Mousse Face and Body Tan. So this is a face and body tan and it dries in 60 seconds. 60 seconds, that is so good. It says specifically that it's a golden olive tone, which I hope is so true because I really want to try different tans, but I always just get so scared that I'm gonna like turn orange that I never do, because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna fake tan after I've had a shower, and then I look at the fake tans I've got and I'm like, I swear that's gonna make me orange. But yeah, hopefully this is not. It says you leave it on for 2 hours for it to be light, 3 hours for it to be medium, and 4 hours plus for it to be dark. So yeah, I actually might give this a go today because I really love looking tan and I want summer. Like, where's summer? Next thing in here is the WhiteGlo Charcoal Deep Stain Remover. Okay, I love testing out teeth whitening things because I really want like properly white teeth. I've always had like problems with my teeth ever since I was little. Not them being like off white, but just them being wonky. Like I had braces for so long, and then obviously after you've had braces you have to like upkeep is like madness. You have to constantly like brush your teeth, brush your retainers. So dental hygiene is something I feel like I know pretty well. So yeah, very excited to give this a go and let's see how it works. I might try this out in some vlogs actually and see if you guys can notice any difference. Oh my god, I'm so excited to have another one of these. This is the Glamglow Exclusively Blue Sonic Face Mask. I think that is what it's called. Yeah, I've had one of these before. Again, I don't actually know where I got this from before, but I've used it. It's just basically, I'm gonna open it up. It's like a tiny tube of face mask. Like, yeah, you apply it just as you do usually, but it has Sonic the Hedgehog on it. And I don't know how many of you guys had Sonic the Hedgehog in part of your childhood, but Mario and Sonic on the Wii, that was where it was at. I think it's a really cool collaboration, quite random, but yeah, really excited to give that a go. Love testing out new face masks, and I've used this one before. I know that I like it. Okay, so the next thing in here, this is really cool. So these are the Bodyform black liners. I've never seen these before. These are so cool. So these are obviously black instead of white. I presume you guys can just get these in like Tesco's and Morrison's and every other like supermarket. Not just Tesco's and Morrison's, guys. And it says on the back, for ultimate discretion with black underwear, which I guess is so true because I would say more people wear black underwear than white underwear, so good shout. I think this is a really good idea. Thank you so much to Bodyform for putting these in here. Okay, the next thing, I'm so excited to try this. What the heck? This is the Jecca Correct and Conceal palette. Now, I've had a Jecca, I can't remember what it was, but I have tested some. I think it was eyeshadows. I've never seen this before. I'm very excited. So Correct and Conceal, and oh my god, okay. So there's a colour corrector and a concealer, and they're kind of like a half, what do you call it? Like, I want to say gel, not gel. What do I mean? Like mousse. Oh my god, I've totally forgotten the word, but like not a matte product basically. So yeah, I'm really excited to give this a try, especially for the concealer because I really like concealers like this. I used to use the Benefit Boying concealer that is the same consistency as this, and I used to use that religiously until it like fully ran out. So yeah, excited to give this a go, and it looks really good for summer. I love the packaging as well on this. It's like really smooth, small, very nice. Oh my god, you have no idea how glad I am that this is in here. This is the, okay, I have no idea how you say this. I'm gonna say Piz Buin. No idea. Ultralight Hydrating Sun Spray. So this is a sun cream in a spray. Okay, I'm going away over summer quite a few times. I keep mentioning this. I'm so excited to vlog it for you guys, honestly. But sun cream is something I have such a hate relationship with. It is not a love-hate, it is just a hate. Because more than anything in this world, I hate the feeling of like sticky moisturizers. Like, I love moisturizers that are just like easy to put on, they don't leave your hands feeling sticky. So like the Body Shop ones, really good. Nivea, super good. Sun cream, so sticky. but I love the spray ones because you don't have to get it on your hands. You can just like spray, 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 you're done. Bish, bash, bosh. So thank you very much for putting that in. Very excited. 100% going to be using this. It's only a 15 SPF, but I'm going to some places in like June where it won't be that hot, so I think this will be pretty good for there. So yeah. Okay, the next thing, I actually don't know what this is. This is by Nila, so it looks like this. Love the colour and the packaging. And I want to say that this is a hair mask. Oh yeah, it is. True Soft Mask, born out of passion for great colour care. Oh, I've got coloured hair, so this will be super good. And I actually was just looking for a hair mask the other night. So thank you very much for this. I will let you guys know again in the vlogs how this makes my hair feel. But yeah, excited to try it out. Okay, so the next thing, this is definitely super, super cool and would be so good if you were just starting out with makeup. So this is the Blank Canvas Cosmetics Starter or Travel Kit. So it comes with 5 brushes, 1 eyeshadow, 1 like flat brush, an angled brush, and then 2 kind of more dense brushes for maybe your cheeks or your foundation. So this looks really cool. I'm excited to give it a go. Oh, on the back it tells you how you can use them all as well, which I think is really, really helpful. So yeah, I'm gonna give these a go. I might actually pass these on to some of my friends that maybe don't use as much makeup, or I might do a giveaway with these. I've used Blank Canvas Cosmetic brushes for years. Honestly, they were one of the first brands to ever send me anything on YouTube, and I just use their brushes religiously because I feel like with makeup brushes often. Okay, so the second to last thing in this box is also by Blank Canvas Cosmetics actually. It's a standy, compact, upright standing pouch. Oh my gosh, what is this for like all of your makeup brushes? Yeah, it is. This luxurious pouch holds approximately 10 to 12 brushes. No, 10 to 20 brushes, sorry. That is sick. This is going to be so good for when I travel. Wait, I actually need to see how this works. How does this work? So it's basically just a pouch, but a pouch kind of like with that in it, so you could stand them all in there and then zip it back up. That is really cool. That's going to be so good to go in a suitcase, because on quite a lot of the trips I'm going on, the ones I'm going on with my friends, we don't actually have hold luggage. We've just decided that we're going to go with hand luggage, which is ambitious because I overpack, so this is going to be really, really helpful. And then last but not least is this absolutely gorgeous wet brush detangle. Now I know that this is amazing because I actually already use this and have this, so I might do a giveaway with this one. I know that this is the only brush that has ever worked on my hair when it is wet, so yeah, I just love this. So yeah, thank you very much for popping this in. But yeah guys, that is basically everything. Thank you so much to the Blogger program for gifting me this box to unbox for you guys. If you are interested in any of the products that I've mentioned or testing them out yourself, there are links to everything down below, including links to the hotel with the amazing afternoon tea, and also a link to sign up to the Blogger program if you are interested in that as well. But yeah, thank you so much. I just thought I'd throw in this little extra video during the week. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, smash the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new around here, and I will be back very, very soon. Bye guys!